Let me show you how to make simple vegetarian dish under 10 pound. Super easy. Don't mind the sour cream. 1 red pepper. Now chop it however you want. I like leaving it like this. Now 1 big onion. This is gonna feed easily a family of 4 or 5. Now you can chop this however you want. Like you have to do that. Now wash your mushrooms because sometimes there's a bit of mud on them, so you don't want that in your food. Now this should be more than enough. I have a few more left, so I'm gonna use them for something else. Take your pan, put it on high heat, olive oil or any kind of oil you want. Now add your mushrooms. Bit of salt for the water to come out. Now let it steam for like 5 minutes. You're just smashing it to get rid of the skin faster. By the way, this is a vegetarian dish. For all you vegetarians that ask me to make a vegetarian dish. Now you see what I mean? There's so much water inside. Take a handful of parsley and a handful of dill. Wash it. Preparation is the key here. If you do everything in advance, this is gonna take literally like 20 minutes. Now that we've done all of the steps with the chopping of the vegetables, we're gonna add the onion and the pepper. Add a little back. Give it maybe 5-6 minutes. I'm gonna put the water to boil for the mamalinga. Going to be salt, a bit of mix. My camera wasn't on, so here I have 2 vegetable stock cubes in hot water, just to get it ready on time. Now that our onions are sweating and everything, we're gonna go in with some thyme, a teaspoon, a few black peppercorns, some paprika, say maybe a teaspoon, some tomato paste. Now, here I have a can of chopped tomatoes. Well, this is not chopped, but I can chop them now. We're adding 1 bay leaf. And now we're adding our vegetable stock. Only thing to do now is just wait. After a few minutes, you're adding your chopped garlic. Lower the heat and leave it like this for maybe 20 to 25 minutes. Now, it's time to add our parsley and dill. Handful big one. This is gonna give so much flavor to this dish. Who doesn't like parsley, he doesn't have taste, he doesn't know how to talk about kitchen. Parsley gives flavor to everything. Parsley is not only for rabbits. Now mix. 3-4 minutes and it's done. Now, if you know the name of this dish, let me know in the comments, because I literally don't know the name of this dish. Switch off the heat, put it next here. Like I said, this is gonna feed maybe 6-7 people. And you can put anything that you want, sour cream, cheese on the side.